Hi, I'm Andrew Kojima, most people call me Koj, and I was a MasterChef finalist, and then I opened my own Japanese restaurants, and Japanese cuisine is my passion. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to cook 5 iconic Japanese dishes: Tonkatsu, Ramen, Gyoza, okonomiyaki, and yakitori. So for Tonkatsu, it's the principles of a Japanese set meal. I'm going to show you Ramen, which is a filling dish with infinite variations. And I'm going to teach you how to make Gyoza, Japanese version of the dumpling. Next, I'm going to show you okonomiyaki, a very versatile and popular street food. And finally, yakitori, which is the classic Japanese skewer. I'm going to take you on a culinary journey from east to west across Japan, and at each stop on the way I'm going to show you not just how to make an iconic dish, but also teach you about Japanese culture and ingredients. And I'm going to show you that Japanese cuisine is about a lot more than just sushi. What I'm really excited about is interacting with the students on the online platform. And now it's your turn, your first assignment. At the end of each lesson, I'll be setting them an assignment, and I'm looking forward to seeing their photos and comments and giving them feedback on their dishes. But I'm also hoping to learn as much from them as they learn from me. That's the magic of the Learning with Experts platform. Students can learn some classic Japanese dishes and techniques from me, and they can learn from each other in an online classroom. And who knows what new dishes and experiences that will inspire. Welcome back, and welcome to lesson 3. I can't wait to welcome you into my kitchen and to see everybody in the online classroom.